Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 87 Chevrolet R20. Nice old truck, came out of California. We put new tires on it, two-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. Did have big camper mirrors at one time, so that's what that is. You know, it appears that the paint is original. Over here it is, there's no paint line. New seat cover. Dash has a crack and then has some, I don't know, they had some glue on there or something. So shows 18,357, so who knows, 118. There's your CD player. We put new dual tank switch in, power windows and locks on it, and we also put 2 new fuel pumps on it. So kind of ready to go. There you can see they touched up along up the top here. But pretty nice. Well, probably was a camper, maybe had a camper puller at one time, the way them holes in the box are. But the box is pretty good shape, not all beat up. Same touched up on top here, that's your biggest. But like I said, I'm pretty sure that this paint is original on this truck. Look how nice and clean, you can tell it is a California truck. Yeah, that's original. So nice solid truck, not a rust issue anywhere. So good looking old square body, fuel injected 454. We're gonna start up our 454. Has been, according to the previous owner, we got some scribbling on a notebook paper that the motor was rebuilt, and that's what we were told. See good oil pressure, runs really good. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works, fuel gauge works because we put 2 new fuel pump modules in them and the tank switch. There's your radio, see if we can get a station.
Stream.
There we go.
Exactly what you were doing. That got dark.
And there's your wipers. Dome light works. Power locks work. Window works. So pretty decent old truck. Put a new master cylinder on it too. There's your headlights and your tail lights. That looks like the license plate light works too. So, should be ready to go drive. A nice solid truck, California, really no rust issues. We're out driving our 87 Chevy R20, 2-wheel drive, 454 automatic. Nice truck, going 60 miles an hour here. Been to the shop, ready to go. New tires, new master cylinder, new fuel pumps, new tank switch, and then also an oil pressure sensor. So it should be ready. Nice original truck, except for we did the seat cover. I think all the paint's original on it. Pretty original truck. Previous owner rebuilt the 454 in it. And then of course we did some littler stuff to it. So both tanks work. We put a new switch in there and tested them. So it goes down the road. Nice one for old square body pickup. It's really airtight too. You don't hear a lot of wind noise on it. So. According to the previous owner, as I said in my other videos, California truck, and you look inside the doors, there ain't no rust on it, so it's definitely not a northern truck. So any questions? 605-695-73